Welcome to the world of tomorrow, where artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape of logistics planning. But what does this mean for the industry? Let's dive in. AI in logistics is more than just a buzzword, it's a game changer. From predictive analytics to autonomous vehicles, AI is revolutionizing how goods are transported around the globe. Firstly, AI enhances predictive analytics. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI predicts supply and demand trends, ensuring businesses stay ahead of the curve. AI also optimizes route planning. Algorithms analyze traffic patterns, weather conditions, and delivery deadlines, ensuring the fastest, most efficient routes. Inventory management is another area where AI excels. It predicts stock levels, automates reordering processes, and reduces the risk of overstocking or stockouts. Customer service is getting an AI makeover too. Chatbots and AI-driven support systems provide quick, accurate responses to customer inquiries, enhancing the overall customer experience. But what's the future of AI in logistics? Imagine a world with self-driving delivery vehicles, drones dropping off packages, and AI systems seamlessly managing global supply chains. The possibilities are endless, and the future is exciting. AI is not just revolutionizing logistics planning, it's setting the stage for a smarter, more efficient world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how technology is shaping our future.